Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm going to show you a recipe of a biryani which is absolutely delicious to taste and also unique to look at, and it's called the Parda Biryani. This is a perfect do-it-yourself recipe, and I also have a do-it-yourself kitchen hack which helped me in the lockdown, which I'm going to share with you in a few minutes. Let's begin with the recipe by marinating the meat. I'm using chicken over here. You can use mutton as well, but the cooking time will differ. So to 1 kg of chicken, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 15 green chilies slit, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, a teaspoon and a half of Garam Masala powder, salt to taste. I'm going to add dried plums here, which is also known as aloo bukhara, about 6 of them, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander, and 1.5 cup of yogurt. Let's mix this well. Let's keep this marinated meat aside at least for half an hour. I usually prefer to marinate my meats for a longer time, but half an hour is good enough. And while the meat is getting marinated, let me show you my kitchen hack. Being a chef, I like my kitchen to be absolute spick and span. I hate to see cockroaches as they come from dirty places, spreading numerous diseases causing germs. Also in the lockdown, it was difficult or unsafe rather to have outdoor agencies coming in for controlling pests, and that is the time I was looking out for something which is like a do-it-yourself kit till I found the perfect solution thanks to Godrej Hit Anti-Roach Gel. It comes in this injection kind of packaging. It's so quick, easy and hassle-free. You just have to apply 20 dots without even moving your utensils, and its effect stays till 45 days, which is almost close to what the pest control service will give. In fact, you don't even need to worry about bad smell in your kitchen because this Godrej Hit Anti-Roach Gel is odorless. Let me wash my hands before I continue. Let's continue with the recipe now. I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. The ghee and the oil has got hot. Let's add the whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 2 inches of cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms, 5 green cardamoms, 2 star anise and 6 to 7 cloves. Let's wait for them to release their aroma. Now let's add 5 onions that I have sliced, and we have to fry them till they are nice and golden in color. The onions have browned beautifully. Now let's add the marinated meat. Let's mix this well. I'm not going to add water to this because the curd anyway releases a lot of water and the chicken will cook in its juices as well. So I'm just going to simply cover this and cook it on a low flame for at least 15 to 20 minutes. To make the biryani look absolutely unique, we're going to steam it in a parda. So this parda is basically a roti which we're going to make with maida, salt and water. We're going to need a dough. We're going to roll it into a chapati and we're going to place the biryani in it, fold it and steam it in that so that all the flavors get trapped into it. So here I have 3 cups of maida or flour. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt to this. Mix this well. And I'm going to add water to this and make a nice stiff dough. I'm just going to drizzle a teaspoon of oil on the dough and I'm going to knead it for another 2 to 3 minutes and the dough will be ready. As you can see, the dough is not sticking to the sides of the bowl. It's ready. So let's cover this with a wet cloth and keep it aside till the chicken is done. The meat is off the bone, the chicken is ready. Let's switch off the flame and roll the chapati. Let's sprinkle some flour on a countertop. And now let's roll this into a nice big chapati. So our parda is ready. Let's just fold this into half. Fold it into a quarter. I'm going to take a pan here and place this roti in the pan. Our parda is ready. Now let's just place it properly into the pan. I'm going to sprinkle some fried onions first, some finely chopped coriander, some finely chopped mint. We're going to add rice. Here I have taken 700 grams for a kilo of chicken and I basically boiled it till it was 80% done. And now we are going to add this rice. To give the rice a nice gloss, a sheen, we're going to drizzle a teaspoon of oil. Let's sprinkle some saffron water, some kevda jal, and now some of the chicken. Similarly, we create another layer. Now we're going to seal this. Just going to take a little water and stick it otherwise. We're going to put this on a dum on a medium to a low flame for 10 minutes. I'm taking a pan that is fitting exactly on this spot and now we're going to flip the biryani. Let's flip it and place it for another 5 minutes. Isn't this gorgeous? After we flipped the biryani, we kept it to cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to shut the flame and now let's open up the parda. And the parda biryani is ready. You saw what an easy recipe it is, and it is even easier now to keep your kitchen free from cockroaches with the Godrej hit Anti-Road Gel. Do try this recipe, keep me posted and keep watching Get Curried.